In this video, I'm gonna show you how to connect OpenClaw to Discord and how to have multiple AI agents. Each one has its own memory, personality, and workspace. So without any further delay, let's get into it. Before we start, make sure to create a new Discord server and name it whatever you want. Here, as you can see, I have a new brand server with the name OpenClaw. After doing so, go to Settings, Developer, and make sure that this option here is activated. The next step is to create a text channel for our Discord bot. Name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name it the same name I'm planning to give to my Discord bot, Limbo. Next, go to the Discord developer portal and create a new application. This is gonna be our Discord bot, so I'm gonna give it the name Limbo. Hit create and try as much as possible to convince them that you are human. You can change the bot avatar image if you want, but anyway, make sure to go to the bot configuration settings and activate all these options. After that, go to the OAuth 2 configurations and activate the bot and applications.commands options. Give it all permissions, copy this link from here, paste it in the browser like this, and hit enter. It's gonna redirect you to the Discord app and ask you which server you want this bot to join. I'm gonna choose my OpenClaw server and then hit authorize. As you can see, the bot joined my server here. The next step is to connect my OpenClaw main agent to this bot here that we just created. And the easy way to do that is by just running the OpenClaw onboarding wizard again. We're gonna keep our settings as it is, but for the channel, we're gonna choose Discord. Wait for it to finish installing, and then choose Enter Discord Bot Token. To get the bot token, go to your bot settings and hit Reset Token. Copy the token you got from here and paste it over there. For the Discord channel's access, we're gonna choose the server channel we just created. And to do that, go to your server and copy the server ID. Add / afterwards, and then copy the channel ID and paste it like this. Hit enter, skip everything to the end, and choose restart. As you can see, the bot became online here in my server. That's good. It means that the connection between both is successful. So let's test it out. Make sure to mention it like this and maybe say hello. Perfect, it's working just fine. Now we want to connect multiple bots to multiple OpenClaw agents. I'm going to show you an example of how to do that. I'm going to create another channel for another bot, and I'm going to call it Lomio. We're going to do the exact same steps we did before with Limbo, so I'm going to speed up the video a little bit to save you some time. After having Lomio here in my server, I'm gonna make sure that I have the token here ready to copy and paste. And then go to our terminal and run this command, OpenClaw agents add Lomio. This is gonna create a new OpenClaw agent with the same name, Lomio. It's better to make sure that the workspace of Lomio is separated than our main agent, Limbo. So I'm gonna change the workspace folder name to workspace-Lomio. Choose No for the first option, then Yes for choosing the default model for this agent. After choosing the default model, choose No for the chat channel. Now, I want to also change the default workspace folder name for my main model. So instead of just workspace, I'm gonna make it workspace-main, just to make sure that both agents are isolated from each other. Now, go to the OpenClaw control panel, then Settings, then Advanced, switch from to Row, and press on this icon here to be able to edit your OpenClaw configurations. Scroll down and copy the Lomio settings, except the ID, and paste it like that. Change the name of the main agent to Limbo, change the workspace path to workspace-main, and for the agent, change Lomio to main as well. If we didn't add the workspace path here, our agent is gonna take by default this workspace path. This is why it's important to change it here. Anyway, let's save this file before we continue. Now, the last thing to do is to connect both bots to both agents here. And to do that in an easy way, I will leave a code snippet in the video description that you can copy and paste here after removing the channel section. Scroll up to the account section. Here you should change these settings to your own. For the Limbo bot, you should add the bot token here. The Discord server ID should be added here. The Discord channel ID should be added here. And your user ID should go here. That's it. We're gonna do the same thing for Lomio as well. If you want more bots, you can add more OpenClaw agents, and here you copy Lomio block and change the settings to match the new bot configurations. Now, make sure that you change the account ID here to match the account ID in our previous settings, and also change the agent ID here to your own agent ID. Now, save this file, go to the Discord server, wait for the bots to be online, and then test it out. As you can see, both are working perfectly fine, and each one has its own identity file. You can add more agents and more bots by following the same steps. And that's it. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.